Here, Logan, you want to record? Now, when I took that lid off,
yeah,
it was a completely different noise.
oh yeah.
Logan, here, you hold it in your video.
They don't like sudden jars and stuff, I think, a lot too. That's why I like using this thing, so I don't jar them a lot.
Right. Shit, boy, they've got her.
It's about half full.
Oh, is that all?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They about got 6 of them full.
Huh.
You can come see.
You may video it?
Yeah, go up in there if you want to.
They pretty tame. See, I got that full, this, that's full. 1, 2, 3, 4 more frames. That's some good stuff right there. They even got that calf.
Do they?
When it's calf like it, it's
Yeah.
good to eat.
Yeah, they do, don't they? Of course,
Yeah.
they'd be brewed in that too, won't they?
Yeah, maybe some, but I bet not much.
Now, is that a damn miller or a moth right there?
One of them.
Yeah, they've not done anything over here, have they?
I got one.
Of course, now they're working it right there pretty hard, but
Yeah.
of course they're drawing the cones. What they're doing there, they're not really. Well, there's no need to add the super then, is there?
Probably not.
Now right there, do you sweep them back in?
Yeah, that's what I'd do.
Oops.
Because you're going to get a few anyway, you know.
Right.
At least you have to, the better off you are. I mean, you might have to, you know, if it started raining and stuff in a little bit, you might have to put the super on there.
Damn, why don't you
Does
look
that
at
go in the front or back?